In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks at Etoro in 2025. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned trader exploring new platforms, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth experience. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to visit the Etoro website. Open your preferred browser and type in Etoro's official URL, or simply search for Etoro in your search engine. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the vibrant design and multiple investment options that Etoro offers. It's not just about stocks, but today, our focus is solely on investing in stocks. Now that you're on the home page, look for the Discover tab. This is typically displayed at the top of the page in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Discover will lead you to a plethora of investment categories that Etoro makes available to its users. Next, you should click on the Stocks option. The Stocks link is usually prominently displayed and easy to find among the other categories. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with numerous stocks from diverse industries. This selection allows you to explore different markets and sectors, tailoring your investment strategy to your unique interests and goals. Now, browse through the selection and select a stock that you'd like to invest in. It's helpful to do some research beforehand or have a specific stock in mind, but you can also discover new opportunities by exploring the options available to you. When selecting a stock, consider factors such as historical performance, market trends, and any relevant news that might impact its price. After you've chosen a stock, it's time to make a trade. Locate the stock you want to buy, and you'll see a button labeled Trade or something similar. Clicking this button will open a new window or panel where you can set your trading preferences. In this trading panel, you'll be able to specify the amount you want to invest. This amount can be adjusted based on your budget and investment strategy. At this stage, you may also encounter options to set stop loss and take profit parameters. Setting these parameters helps you manage your risk and potential returns by automatically selling your stock at certain price points. Before you finalize your investment, review all the details carefully. Ensure that the amount and settings reflect your intentions accurately. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and confirm your trade. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully bought stocks on Etoro. Remember, it's always wise to review your investment regularly and stay informed about the financial markets to make well-rounded investment decisions. Whether you're investing small amounts or diving in deep, staying informed and vigilant is key. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.